These are my rights, man. These are my rights. These are my rights. Hold on. These are my rights. I'm catching that flight. These are my rights. I got beat by my ex-boyfriend. This is harassment. Why am I in trouble? I'm not drunk. I'm not.
Because you smell like alcohol.
Because I had a shot before I wanted to go on this flight.
Guess what?
Denied boarding for intoxication. A woman refused to leave the gate and insisted on getting on the plane anyway.
अमेरिका में इंडिया की इस लड़की को एयरपोर्ट पे गिरफ्तार किया गया है। मतलब ये लड़की नशे में धुत है। पुलिस वालों से खूब मतलब ये हाथापाई कर रही है। ये जबरदस्ती मतलब एयरप्लेन में चढ़ने की कोशिश करी थी, हवाई जहाज में, लेकिन बोर्डिंग करने से इसको रोक दिया और बोर्डिंग गेट पर इसको ये कहा कि आपकी जो टिकट नहीं है आप दूसरी टिकट लेके आओ, कहो तो आपकी कल की टिकट हम बुक कर देते हैं और फिर आप जाना। लेकिन ये बंदे ना अड़ी रही, ने बोले नहीं मैं तो इसी जहाज में चढ़ूंगी और अभी चढ़ूंगी, और इसको रोक रहे हैं। जब ये ज्यादा जबरदस्ती करने लगे ना तो बोर्डिंग वालों ने फिर क्या किया, मतलब बदतमीजी करने लगी, उन्होंने पुलिस को बुला लिया। पुलिस के साथ भी खूब मतलब हाथापाई की, बदतमीजी की, इसने आखिरी में इसको गिरफ्तार भी कर लिया है। ये नर्स बता रही है, कभी कह रही है मैं शिकागो में रहती हूँ, कभी ये सीएटल से डलास जाने की बात कर रही है, कभी कह रही है मैं वीकेंड बिताने के लिए जर्मनी जाना चाहता हूँ, कभी कह रही है मेरे पिताजी मर चुके हैं, और फिर इसके पिताजी का फोन भी आता है। पूरी कहानी सुनेंगे एक बार, आप इसको एक बार देखते हैं एक बार।
I'm not at any liberty to disclose that information.
Okay, so this is, so here's the deal. American is declined your boarding today, so you're not going to be able to get on this flight. So what I'd like to do is help you get rebooked for another flight.
On this flight?
Your dead parents are
My
on this
dead
flight?
parents?
Okay. So this flight, they're not allowing you boarding. So here's what's
I
going to
don't
happen. Okay, so here's what's going to happen.
Nothing
Try to
else.
force your way onto this aircraft.
But I haven't threatened anybody.
I understand. If you try to force your way in this aircraft, it's going to be a criminal matter. Okay. Final warning, you can step aside with me. We can have a
You're
conversation.
telling me she's not gonna take my boarding?
Yes, I can tell you that right now.
You're telling me this will be accepted?
They're not going to accept your boarding.
I'm not intoxicated. What do you need to do for me to tell you I'm not intoxicated? I have my status. I have had hit by my ex-boyfriend and blunt force trauma. I'm trying to go away from this.
So is she being denied boarding by you guys?
No, but I have been affected by something else
At this
external.
point, it's an FAA regulation that it supersedes your situation.
What do you mean procedural?
We can rebook you
I'm
tomorrow.
trying to get away for safety. You understand that?
But FAA regulations prohibit
But
carriers from
there
boarding
is
us.
nothing of me
So right
that
now you're
debilitates. What of me
Right now,
debilitates you?
you
Because symptoms
are-
of a concussion show signs of like.
so with all due respect, I can rebook you, but you're not going to fly today. And if you're making it a little bit difficult
I need you to know, tell me why I can't make this flight. I'm not
Okay,
debilitated.
so now
If you need me to do anything in terms of surviving,
No,
I'm
ma'am.
down. I've got a concussion. You know, my eyes are dying.
Ma'am, okay, we're done.
back up, you're going to leave the
No,
airport.
Come on,
okay?
it's time to leave.
Get that back out and go.
No,
Get your
no,
stuff.
I
It's time to
need
leave.
to know
No.
why you made your decision.
Put your hand
Put your
down.
hand down, pick
It's
your
time
stuff
to
up,
leave.
and you're going to leave the airport, okay?
Can you please
go.
tell me
Now.
why? What is the deciding
All right.
factor?
So I've
Because you're-
asked you to leave. Now I'm going to tell you to leave.
Cool, but what is the? There, I could
Now
sue
you're
the
trespassing.
airport. No,
you do
I
not.
could
You're
sue
not
the
booked on a
airport.
flight today.
No,
You're
I
intoxicated.
literally am booked.
and
I'm
so now
not
you're gonna leave.
intoxicated, and I am booked on a flight today.
Final warning, you are directed to leave the airport at this time. You will be placed under arrest for criminal trespass. I do not want to do that, but that's where we're headed. Let's walk with you. We'll figure it out. Let's take it.
Your bag.
Let's grab your stuff.
You want your bag?
I've had a concussion.
Okay,
I've
that's
got
understandable.
beat by my ex-boyfriend.
Let's go get you.
I have nystagmus. Why won't you let me see my mom and my dad? Because I'm trying to get away from the situation.
We'll get you
What the are you doing to me, though?
Let's go.
Why? This isn't fair. Dude, what the I'm asking you.
All right. There you go.
No, I'm asking you why you won't ask. Like,
How many times do you have to be asked?
I asked you, why am I being arrested? Or did
Well,
you
now you're being
arrest me?
arrested
You
for
tell me
trespass.
why. Trespassing nothing. Do you see me trespassing? Does anybody see me trespassing? Does anybody see me trespassing? Please, tell me.
So,
Does any...
National Airport Regulations state that to be in the airport, you have to be a ticketed passenger.
I am.
and
I bought
you're
a
not.
ticket. I bought a ticket.
Denied you boarding. You do not have a ticket
Wait,
today.
that's
So now
me
you are
saying-
trespassing.
that's
Let's
me
go that
saying,
way.
But I bought a ticket.
Well, you had one. Then they rebooked you. So we asked
And
you to
tell
leave.
me. Nobody told me otherwise.
Everything's
You
audio
said-
video
You
recorded.
asked me.
You
You
were-
asked me to rebook me.
No, they told you
you've
you were
asked
not
me.
flying. Everything's been video recorded, all right? So you can see it for yourself. Go ahead and request it. You were told at least 4 times.
Dude,
We asked you to go. Come on, walk this
There's
way.
nothing wrong with me. I just want you to
Okay.
tell me what I'm doing.
We're gonna walk. We told you.
Why are you pushing me, bro?
Are you discussing here? I'm at David Fruit.
Okay, we'll just
Can
go
I
to
talk
David
to you?
Drew.
मतलब आपने देखा कि शुरू में तो जो बोर्डिंग गेट वाले थे वो भी प्यार से बात करते रहे, फिर उन्होंने पुलिस बुला ली, पुलिस भी इसको प्यार से समझाती रही, लेकिन है ना जब इस लड़की ने अपनी जैकेट वैकेट उतार दी और उंगली दिखा के जब बातें करने के लिए पुलिस वालों के साथ, तब फिर पुलिस वालों ने इसको पकड़ के और इसको हथकड़ी लगा ली और फिर ये बोली कि मुझे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हो, मुझे क्यों अरेस्ट करे हो, और बोली मैंने तो दारू नहीं पी रखी है, मैंने कोई ड्रिंक नहीं कर रखी है। तो पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं कि हम इसलिए गिरफ्तार नहीं करें, आप ड्रिंक आपने कर रखी है, हम आपको ट्रेस पासिंग के आरोप में गिरफ्तार करें हैं, आपको 4 बार यहाँ से जाने के लिए कहा लेकिन आप गए नहीं, अब आप इस तरीके से जबरदस्ती करोगे, ये बोले कि आपके पास टिकट नहीं है और आपने एंट्री कैसे कर ली, हमें तो ये हैरानी हो रही है, आप यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँच गए। मतलब इस तरह ये बातें इनके बीच में चल रही है, इसके पास टिकट है कि नहीं है, और कभी कह रहे कि टिकट दोबारा बुक होने करनी पड़ेगी तब आप जा सकते हो, इस फ्लाइट में नहीं जा सकते, लेकिन ये बंदी अड़ी रही, बोले नहीं मैं तो इसी में ही जाऊंगी मेरी, और ये कह रही है कि मेरी माता पिता की डेड है, मेरे माता पिता डेड है और वो इसमें है, एयरप्लेन में है, मुझे इसमें जाना बहुत जरूरी है। और आगे फिर इसके पापा का फोन भी आ रहा है, अभी अगली उसमें देखेंगे इसके पापा का फोन आ रहा है, अरे पापा से कह रहे कि मैं अरेस्ट कर ली हूँ, एक बार देखते हैं फिर आगे।
I need to talk to some supervisor. I'm not being held in custody. It's
No,
not
you're under
happening.
arrest. You're not being held in
I
custody.
didn't do
Go that
nothing.
way.
I
Head
didn't
down
do
that way.
anything.
Go that way. You're going to jail.
I
So
didn't
this
do
way.
anything.
So you can walk down to David 3 to his patrol car, or we can take you to David 3 to his patrol car. Which one do you want to do?
Privately?
Past that point.
I'm sorry? No, I'm not. Bro, what the f***? Why am I What are you doing to me? This is harassment. This is harassment. This is harassment. This is harassment. This is harassment.
All right, walk.
What are you
Last
doing?
warning.
This
You
is
can walk to
harassment.
David 3.
Walk to the car.
Dude,
Walk
I am,
to the
I
car.
am civil. I am straight. Make me perform the line test. Wow, let me go. Let me go. No, let me go. Ask me to perform the
Are you
line
really?
test. I am.
There
I
is
have
no test.
nystagmus.
There's
I have
no test.
nystagmus. I have a medical
It doesn't
test.
matter. You're not
No,
listening.
I got beat the shit out of
You're
her by my
not
ex-boyfriend.
listening.
I want to go
You're
home
not
to my
listening.
mom. No, I'm sober.
You're not
No,
listening.
No,
You're not
You're not
listening.
listening either.
I heard everything
You're not
you
listening.
said.
No,
You're not listening to
I want to
anything
run
that
home to my
anybody's
mom
telling
and
you.
my dad. That's all I'm trying to do,
Okay.
officer.
All right,
I'm not
you
trying
should have
to
listened.
listen. How? I'm listening to you now.
You were told multiple times
I'm not disobeying
that they're not
the
letting you
law.
on this plane.
I'm not.
We asked you to
disobeying.
leave. We told you to
I
leave.
wanted them to tell me
You didn't
themselves.
want to leave. They
No,
told you.
I
The supervisor
wanted them to
told
tell me
you.
themselves. What supervisor?
The one you were talking to at the
No,
door.
she had no idea.
There was a dude. You were talking to a
No,
guy
that wasn't
at
her,
the
an
door.
African woman. What do you mean? I didn't do anything wrong. I didn't do anything wrong.
Will you stop
I'm not-
pulling away? Like, stop pulling away from me.
I don't deserve to be detained. I don't deserve to be detained. I do not deserve to be detained. Hey, it's my dad. My dad. Can you tell him, Dad, I'm being
anytime to
detained.
exercise these rights and not
Can you
answer any
answer?
questions or make any statements. Do you understand these rights?
Dad, I'm being detained. I don't have
No,
no
arrested.
idea why I'm being arrested. There's no reason I'm being arrested. I was trying to catch my flight in
Do you
Miami.
understand each of your rights that were explained?
Okay, but do you understand that I told him I had a concussion? That's all I was doing.
Would you like medical attention?
Yeah, but like, there's nothing.
I can start medical
I already had medical attention. I was put on a Flexerol. I saw it. It was, listen, there's nothing
Flexerol
wrong.
and alcohol don't mix very well. I can smell it off your
Okay,
breath.
that's
Not the
fine.
nystagmus. I can smell it on your breath.
But there's nothing that I'm limiting. I'm limiting.
Do you want Dad to be on speakerphone so we can have a
Dad,
conversation?
yeah, because
Okay.
like I can't be
Hi, Dad.
arrested.
This is Officer.
No,
I
I'm
can show you
not.
why
I'm
she
not.
needs
I'm
to
not.
be
I'm not. There's no reason to be
You think it's a
detained.
good idea to walk her back through that
There's
mess?
no reason to be detained. I'm trying to catch this flight.
These are gonna have to fix
No,
it.
my cousin is getting married. There's no reason for me to be detained.
They're double locked, but they're just not.
इसके लड़की के पापा का फोन आया और ये पुलिस वाले ने जैसे इसके तो हाथ की हथकड़ी लगा रखी थी, तो पुलिस वाले ने फोन उठाई, अपने पापा से कह रही कि पापा मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर लिया यार, पता नहीं मेरे को क्यों गिरफ्तार करे, मुझे कहाँ लेके जा रहे हैं। तो ये पुलिस वाला उसके पापा से फोन करता है, लेकिन ज़्यादा हाथेपाई करने लगी, उसने फोन काट
They're not tight enough.
Listen, I don't need to disrespect you. I love everything about what you do and everything.
Turning
You don't
into.
mean to disrespect me.
But I'm telling you, there's nothing that I did wrong. I didn't do
Put your
nothing
hands
wrong.
behind your back.
I didn't do
When you
nothing
want to
wrong.
listen, I'll try to explain to you,
Please
but
explain to me because I can't be here. I can't. I've already been in jail. I can't do it. I can't do it again.
okay. Are you gonna listen or no?
I've been a good girl ever since.
Okay.
I've been in a. I swear to God.
I'm not gonna explain it to you if you're just gonna talk while I'm trying to talk.
Okay,
That's
all I
the
try
right
to
one.
do is tell them that I have a concussion because my ex-boyfriend beat me.
Okay.
Okay? There's police reports about it.
All right.
Your arms
Okay? My eyes move because I have nice stagnancy.
Nobody cares
Listen to
about
me.
your eyes. Like you're not.
फिर ये करे कि मैंने मतलब फ्लेक्सरिल कोई दवा होती होगी शायद वो उसने ले रखी है और फिर ये भी करे कि मैंने एक ड्रिंक का शॉट भी लिया है इन्हें थोड़ी शराब भी ली है जरूर और पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं कि आपको नहीं पता कि फ्लेक्सरिल पे वो लिखा होता है कि आप उसके साथ आप ड्रिंक नहीं कर सकते दारू नहीं ले सकते और वो रिएक्शन कर जाती है मतलब फिर ये करे नहीं मैंने दवा भी उसमें दारू नहीं पी रखी लेकिन पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं कि स्मेल तो आ रही है तुमने पी रखी है मतलब इस तरह से इनकी बहस चल रही है और ये इसको लेके जाने कह रहे हैं कि तू चल आगे चल हम तेरे को अरेस्ट कर लिया है करे मैंने तो शराब पी नहीं क्यों अरेस्ट करे पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं हमने शराब पी इसलिए अरेस्ट नहीं करे हैं तेरे को ट्रेस पासिंग के आरोप में गिरफ्तार कर रहे हैं क्योंकि 4 बार कहा तेरे को जाने के लिए तू नहीं जा रही और कितनी जबरदस्ती करी है ये पुलिस वाला ने देखो ये कोई व्हील वाली है इसके पहिए लगे हुए हैं कोई स्टूल सा है क्या है इस पे बिठाने की कोशिश करें कुर्सी से और इस पे कितना धक्का करी है मतलब ये लड़की ना अपनी पूरी ताकत दिखा रही है और साथ में फिर कह रही है मैंने कुछ कर भी नहीं रखा आगे देखते हैं
Why am I in trouble? I'm not drunk. I'm
Because
not
you smell like alcohol.
because
They
I had a
said-
shot before I wanted to go on this
Guess what?
flight.
Guess what? Every business has the right to refuse somebody.
That's fine, but don't detain me. Don't throw me in jail.
You're not listening.
There's no reason.
So they said.
No, I am. You
Yeah,
walk
they're
me.
saying this
Walk
way.
me. I want to walk the line. I want to do everything sobriety test. Let me
You're
do
not under
every.
arrest. You're not driving. That's why you're not listening. You're not at arrest for anything alcohol related. Right this way. You're not arrested for anything alcohol related.
Listen, I'm
You're
trying to
arrested
see my
because
mom
we
and
asked
my
you to
dad.
leave and you refused to leave.
No, I didn't refuse to leave. I didn't refuse to. I would have left if I knew my options.
Everything here has been audio.
Okay, so we're all good,
No.
right?
We're not.
No.
We're all
We're going
fucking
to
good.
the police car
For what reason?
because you are under arrest for trespass.
I am not under. Somebody has to testify that. Somebody has to testify that.
Where are we going?
Somebody has to testify that. I was. No, there's no way. I know my rights.
Keep
I know
going.
my rights.
Come on.
Man, John, all persons or invited to airport property or operating or handling any aircraft or vehicle apparatus or equipment shall be governed by compliance with the rules and regulations of the
Okay,
airport.
but if I
You have to
knew-
have a ticket.
I
Your
do
ticket
have a
was
ticket.
voided. They tried to tell you that you could go
When
rebook.
was that? No, you're doing this because I have a record.
No.
We're doing this because you're under arrest.
We have no idea what you're
I'm
actually.
a non-threat.
Do you have a
so
record? I don't know if you have a
what do I do if I'm a non-threat? I am a non-threat.
Pull it this way.
I'm a non-threat. I'm not going to.
You're going.
Explain why I'm explaining why I'm going to.
All right.
Hold on. No,
I
no,
think
no.
we just.
No. Explain. Can you ask her? Can you ask her? Can you ask her? Ask her. Babe, did you deny me? Just tell me. Like, it's okay, but like, I don't think I got denied boarding. Like, just like, tell me. I'm not like, yeah, I'm straight. I'm literally straight, dude. Why would you? Why is that? I'm fucking sober, dude. You can't do this, dude. These are my rights, bro. You can't do this. My rights. What about my rights, man? I'm making this flight, man. These are my rights, dude.
ये लड़की कह रही कि मैंने तो टिकट खरीदा था पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं आपका टिकट रद्द हो गया था आपको दोबारा टिकट लेके फिर आना चाहिए था लेकिन ये अड़ी रही बोली नहीं मैं तो इसी फ्लाइट में जाऊंगी जब ये कुर्सी बिठाने लगे ना ये कह रही नहीं मैं कोई खतरा थोड़ी हूँ मैं कोई मतलब खतरा नहीं हूँ कोई मैं डेंजर नहीं हूँ मुझे ऐसे क्यों बिठा रहे हो मुझे क्या खतरा है मैं तो बहुत ही शरीफ हूँ मैं बहुत ही शरीफ हूँ और मुझे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है और मैंने कोई शराब नहीं पी रखी आप मुझे क्यों गिरफ्तार करे हो ये इनजस्टिस है ये अन्यायपूर्ण है मतलब ये खूब बातें करी है मतलब अपने आप ही आप बोले जा रही है पुलिस वालों की बात ही क्यों नहीं सुन रही पुलिस वाले से पूछ रहे तुमने मेरे से क्यों गिरफ्तार किया बताओ क्यों गिरफ्तार किया वाई आर यू अरेस्ट मी लेकिन वो कह रहे हैं कि तुम मेरी बात सुनोगे तभी तो मैं बताऊंगा क्यों गिरफ्तार किया तुम बोल रहे हो हमारी बातें सुनते नहीं रहे मतलब ये आखिर में पुलिस वाले इसको जो उनकी गाड़ी है ना एयरपोर्ट से बाहर निकाल के बाहर इनकी गाड़ी खड़ी है और उस गाड़ी तक लेके जाने की कोशिश करें ताकि फिर इसको थाने में लेके जाएं
Can I talk to you?
All right, listen. Do you want more charges? Because that's what you're gonna get if you don't walk.
I need to be out so I can go see my mom and my dad. What are you guys gonna beat me in the corner? Holy shit, you're
No,
gonna beat
we're
me in
bringing
the
a police car over here.
Holy shit.
Put your shoe on.
Put your shoe back on so your feet don't get all dirty.
No, for what reason am I being arrested? For what reason? This is unjust though. For what reason? I have nystagmus and I had a concussion.
You want to go grab your car?
But for what reason? For what reason?
I
This
tried
isn't
to
right though.
explain it to you. You're
No,
not
I
listening
tried to
me.
listen. Tell me again, because this isn't right.
So the airline said you're not fit to fly on that flight.
That's fine. I have a concussion. I
Okay.
knew I might not
So
be able
listen.
to fly. My doctor told me your pressure in your head is going to bother you.
Okay, all right. We're over that part.
Okay, but I tried.
Once they said
My parents
you can't
paid
fly
for the
tonight,
flight. Okay,
once they
that's fine.
said you can't fly tonight, we were there just to walk you to their ticket counter to get a new flight
No,
for
nobody
tomorrow.
told me they would walk me to the
Then
ticket counter.
we asked
Nobody
you to leave.
told me.
You wouldn't leave.
No,
Then
nobody,
we said you need
I
to
would
leave.
tell you right
then
now.
My
Book
partner,
me on another.
Then my partner
No.
said you need to leave or you're going to go to jail.
No, I had
And
no
you refused to
understanding.
leave.
I had
So
zero
then
understanding.
Now you're going to jail.
No, I had zero understanding that you were willing
That's
to
not mine.
rebook me a ticket. That's not cool. That's
Yeah,
not
he's bringing
alright.
his car.
That's not alright. That is not alright.
All right.
Dude, what? Like, I'm not. Like, how are you arresting me? There's no grounds. You have no grounds.
So you were,
On what?
you were interrupting their ability to operate?
No, I just told
You
them
know how
I'm
much money-
concerned.
I'm trying to answer your question.
Great, but I'm told them I'm concerned that my head might blow off because I have a concussion. Okay? Like, lights are so sensitive to me. I got beaten the shit up by my ex-boyfriend last
If
night.
you wanted fire to come check you out, and you come on.
Because I already did. I had them come check me out. They did check me out. Listen, I'm very respectful for everything. I'm a healthcare professional. You have no idea. This is what I'm aspiring to be. If there's anything I can do to help you, help me, I'm there for it. But you have no idea. Like, I've been done wrong. There's nothing for me.
as a healthcare professional.
I work for Husky Senior Care. I'm a home health care nurse. I do assessments. I go inside and I do assessments.
Are you from Texas or where are you from?
What's that?
Where are you from?
Chicago.
Illinois?
I'm from Chicago. I moved over here to get a better life, man. Like, this is not me, which is what you're thinking. You're concluding yourself. I promise you, I can put myself on my knees and my hands, man.
So you're a nurse, right?
Days, right? Like,
What's that?
So
Lincolnshire?
you work in like healthcare?
Yeah.
So you should know, like, when you take medication like Flexerol, on the bottle it says do not mix with alcohol.
But I haven't taken Flexerol.
you
I
told
haven't
us-
taken it yet. I wanted to take it
You
when I was
told
on the
us
plane.
you took Flexerol.
I wanted
Then
to
you
take it
told us
while
that
I was on the plane.
Then you told us you took a shot of alcohol. So that's probably why you're, you know, not
No,
understanding.
I've been
what we're
emotional
saying.
because I don't have my mom by my side. I don't have my dad by my side. I have nobody. I'm living here on my own. I'm emotional. I'm a cancer.
All right, right over this.
There is no grounds. I need to know what grounds I'm being arrested on because I'm not drunk, man.
You're not being arrested for being
Okay,
drunk.
then I
You're
can't
being
be
arrested.
taken away. Listen, I have PTSD.
You're being arrested for criminal trespass.
I'm not trespassing. Nothing.
When we told you to leave the airport, you
Nope.
refused
Nope.
to leave.
Nope. You did not tell me I had an option.
You can bring that up when you want.
the interaction you were having with American was keeping them from boarding their flight, and every minute they don't.
Because I
Listen,
need
listen.
understanding.
When they don't.
Is there anything on you that I need to know about?
I need to get out.
I spoke with your father. He's expecting a call from you once you get there. Is
Listen, I didn't do anything. I'm telling you right now.
there anything else on you that I missed? I didn't check the list.
Let me go so I can
Alright.
talk to him straight in the
So we're gonna
face.
set you in the back of the car.
No, I'm not a I'm not under arrest. Can I talk to him?
Nope. You need to get in the
No,
patrol.
no, I know my rights. I know my rights, bro. Let me talk to the officer.
You're not going
Let me talk to the officer. Let me talk to the officer. Please.
You're gonna get more.
You
officer do you want to talk with?
Either way.
Do you want to talk to a supervisor? Do you want to talk to a
I
supervisor?
want to talk to you. I want to talk to the supervisor.
You want to talk to a supervisor?
Yeah,
In the car and I'll talk to you.
That's the supervisor right there.
Sure, that's no problem.
I have sword and
Do you see what your officers are doing?
What I'm telling you.
Do you see what your
I will
do,
listen, no.
No,
Listen
perform
to
a
me.
sobriety test.
Listen to me.
Perform a
You're
sobriety
not
test.
under arrest for being drunk. So,
So I am not under arrest for trespassing either.
you are arrested for trespassing.
No, I'm not.
I will have a civil
No,
conversation with you
did
when
not.
you're in the
You
car.
did not tell me.
I-
You did not
Let go-
tell me
let go of my
that I
finger.
wasn't
I
allowed.
will have a
Let
civil
go of my
conversation
finger.
with you when you're
Let
in the
go of
vehicle.
my finger.
You
Right
told
now
me I
you're
wasn't
resisting
allowed.
arrest.
No.
You need to get in the car before
No,
they add
because I
another
don't
charge.
agree with what I'm being arrested for.
You don't
Because
have a
there's
civil-
nothing.
if you
What?
fail to comply,
There is nothing.
to
There
resist
is
arrest.
nothing.
I will additionally book
There
you
is
for
nothing that
resisting
supplies
arrest.
my arrest.
If you don't get in the
There's
car, we're going to have to
there's
use
no
force.
evidence.
Conversation with
No,
you.
there's no
When you're in
evidence
the
that
vehicle.
supplies my arrest.
If you
There
don't
is
get in the
no
car,
evidence.
we're going to have to use force.
Conversation while resisting arrest.
That's fine. I'll have a conversation with you. Tell them to let me go.
Get in the
Tell
car.
them to let me go. Tell your officers to let me go.
ये लड़की कह रही है कि मेरे साथ है ना बहुत गलत हुआ है और मेरी गिरफ्तारी का कोई बेस नहीं है, आप मुझे क्यों गिरफ्तार कर रहे हो, मैं पहले से परेशान हूँ, मेरे सिर में चोट लगी है, मेरे एक्स जो बॉयफ्रेंड है उसने मेरे को पीटा है, मैं हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल नर्स हूँ, मैं बहुत इलाज करती हूँ और मैं एक अच्छी ज़िंदगी जीने के लिए आया हूँ। ये पुलिस वाले पूछ रहे कहाँ से है, तो बता ही नहीं पा रही कहाँ से है। कभी कह रही मैं शिकागो से हूँ, कभी कह रही है मैं वीकेंड बिताने के लिए जर्मनी जा रही हूँ, मैं पहले भी जर्मनी गई हूँ, कभी कह रही है मेरे माता पिता की डेड बॉडी थी अप्रैल में, मुझे इसी में जाना था, फिर इसके पापा का फोन आ रहा है, फिर ये कह रहे मेरे पापा से बात कराओ। पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं कि तेरे पापा को हमने बता दिया, वो आगे वेट कर रहे हैं, थाने में चलो वहाँ चलना पड़ेगा। लेकिन ये पूरी जिद कर ये है ना गाड़ी में बिठाने की कोशिश करे, गाड़ी में नहीं बैठ रही, आखिर में ना उसको बड़ी ज़बरदस्ती से धक्के से पुलिस वाले खींच के इसको गाड़ी में बिठाते हैं, फिर गाड़ी में भी खूब बहस करती है और आखिर में फिर पुलिस वाले इसको ले जाते हैं। इस पर 2 चार्जिंग लगे हैं, एक तो ट्रेसपासिंग का आरोप लगा है और दूसरा ये जो हाथापाई कर रही थी ना, इतनी खींचतान कर रही थी पुलिस, इसका अरेस्ट अलग से लग दिया, इसका चार्ज अलग से लगा दिया। पुलिस वाले कह रहे थे अभी तक तो हम तेरे को कुछ भी नहीं कह रहे थे, स्टार्टिंग में कह रहे थे तुम यहाँ से निकल जाओ और अपनी दोबारा नई सिरे से टिकट लेके अगली आप जो फ्लाइट है उसमें बैठ जाना, तेरे से कुछ नहीं कह रहे थे हम, लेकिन तू नहीं गई, तेरे को गिरफ्तार कर लिया ट्रेसपासिंग के आरोप में। उसके बाद हमने तेरे को कहा कि तू आराम से सीधा चल और फिर तू नहीं माने तो खींचतान करिए, फिर उसके कारण इसके ऊपर लग गया अब जो ये रेसिस्टिंग अरेस्ट का, मतलब जो पुलिस वालों से धक्का मुक्की की है इसने, अब दूसरा आरोप लग गया। अब 2 आरोप लगे, पुलिस वाले कह रहे हैं, ये कह रहे कि मैं पहले भी जेल जा चुकी हूँ, मैं दोबारा नहीं जेल जाना चाहती, मतलब बंदी पहले भी जेल गई है, कह रही है मैं मेरे अनुभव है, मैंने सबक सीख लिया जेल से, मैं नहीं जाना चाहती दोबारा जेल, और ड्रिंक रखी है इसने, शॉट मार रखा है, आपने आप खुद कहा आपको दुआ भी है, ये करिए मेरे एक्स बॉयफ्रेंड ने पीटा है। मतलब समझ नहीं आ रहा है ये बंदी क्यों इतनी नशे में है, मतलब क्यों इतनी मेंटली रूप से परेशान है। कभी कह रहे डॉक्टर ने कहा है कि तुझे मस्तिष्क का आघात हुआ है, दिक्कत है, तो मतलब कहीं ना कहीं ये लड़की परेशान तो है, मेंटली रूप से तो परेशान है। और सरेआम देखो एयरपोर्ट पर किस तरीके से इसको जब हथकड़ी लगती है और लोगों के बीच में जो जाते हैं, लेकिन ये होश में नहीं है, नशे में नहीं है, कहीं ना कहीं इसने दवा भी ले रखी होगी। फिर दवा इन्होंने पूछा तूने फ्लेक्सिरल ले रखी थी, बाद में फिर शॉट क्यों मारा दारू का, ये कह रहे नहीं मैंने तो फ्लेक्सिरल की अभी तक दवा नहीं लिया, मैंने तो शॉट मारा है, तो कहीं ना कहीं मेंटली परेशान है। तो अब इसके 2 चार्ज लग गए, फिर इसको थाने ले जाया गया।
Brother, what the f are you doing?
Not what I want to do.
Brother, what the f are you doing? Why are you doing this?
Because you wouldn't do it like an adult. So
I didn't do it. I didn't do this though.
Thank
For
you for
what?
doing it.
What am I doing? I didn't do nothing. I'm not going to spend the weekend in jail. I've done that before. I don't need to. I'm trying to make my parents proud and finish school. Sir, I'm just trying to go home to my parents.
Well, I'm glad that you're still here.
Babe, I will
And
give
it
you
sounds-
everything
It sounds
I
like
have.
your dad still cares about you.
Yeah, but
And he's calling you.
there's nothing that I did to compromise
call-
me flying.
Call your dad.
There's
He's
nothing
waiting.
that I did.
Your dad is waiting for a phone call from you, and I want him to know that you're safe.
But
right?
there, I
'Cause had
can't
to
be
hang
in
up.
jail. I can't be
I
in
had
jail.
to, I
I'm
had to hang up on him because I was helping carry you out of here.
right, but I can't
And I want
be
to
in
call
jail.
him back so that he knows you're safe. So we're gonna get
But I
going so that you
can't
can
be in
make that
jail.
phone call.
I can't be in jail. I've been already before. I've learned my lesson. Babe, I'm learning my lesson.
Okay.
I've
Well,
learned
you're
it.
under arrest for that crime. that I
I'm
told
not.
you.
I'm
Just
not
going
over the
to
legal
jail.
limit. Nothing.
You're not under arrest for being intoxicated by any means. Okay. Hang tight. I'm gonna talk to my sergeant. We'll get going.
The woman was arrested and charged with first-degree criminal trespass and resisting arrest after refusing to leave the boarding gate, resisting officers throughout the arrest, and continuing to fight their attempts to escort her to the patrol car.
ये वीडियो थी 2024 की, लेकिन अभी पुलिस ने रिलीज किया कुछ दिन पहले। मतलब पुलिस ने ना खूब जांच पड़ताल करने के बाद और जब केस की आगे कोर्ट में सुनवाई होती है, फैसला होता है, तब जाके ये रिलीज करती है। मतलब उस टाइम की वीडियो। जब घटनास्थल पर किसी को अरेस्ट करते हैं ना, तो अमेरिका की पुलिस कोर्ट का आदेश है, ये कोर्ट के आदेश पर कोई भी वीडियो जब किसी को अरेस्ट करते हैं उसमें बॉडी कैम उन्होंने वो कैमरा पैनल लगाया हुआ होता है, उसमें सारी घटना अरेस्ट हो जाती है, मतलब उसमें कैद हो जाती है, उसमें दिख जाती है, ताकि आप ना कोर्ट में फिर पुलिस वालों के खिलाफ कोई बयान ना दे दो गलत है। इसलिए पुलिस वाले की सेफ्टी के लिए उस समय उनको कैमरा पहनना होता है। तो ये जो उसमें काफ़ी कुछ सुनवाई हो जाती है ना, कोर्ट में सुनवाई हो जाती है, उसके बाद फिर पुलिस ये वीडियो मतलब जारी करती है और पब्लिक डोमेन में अब ये वीडियो जारी की गई है। और ये इसके आगे केस में क्या फैसला हुआ, जज ने इसको क्या सज़ा सुनाई, क्या जमानत दी, क्या इस पर जुर्माना लगा, उसका आगे का कोई पता नहीं है। मैंने काफ़ी कुछ इसमें ढूंढने की कोशिश की, सर्च करने की कोशिश की, लेकिन कोई जानकारी नहीं मिल पाई। तो ये वीडियो थी, आप इसे अपने कमेंट्स करना, वीडियो को शेयर करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। मैं आपका दोस्त रामपाल, धन्यवाद।